There are famous borders everyone knows, but today we're going to places so small, so hidden that most travelers don't even realize they connect two countries. And the first one, you'll probably miss it even if you stand right on top of it. On a quiet stretch of the Guadiana River, there's a tiny pedestrian bridge linking Spain and Portugal. It's not grand, no flags waving, no guards checking passports. It's just a simple wooden pathway where you can literally take one step and switch countries. People come here just for the fun of saying, "I walked from Spain to Portugal in 2 seconds." But if you think that's unusual, wait till you hear what's happening on the island of Hispaniola. Here, the border isn't marked by fences or checkpoints. It runs straight through everyday life. Markets set up right on the line. Families speak 2 languages across the same street. Farmers work on one side and sell their harvest on the other. These villages don't care about politics or maps. They've created their own quiet system of living together. And still, this isn't the strangest border story on the list. Because next comes a place where entering your own backyard used to mean crossing international borders multiple times. For years, the Cooch Behar region looked like a puzzle someone dropped on the floor. Indian enclaves inside Bangladesh, Bangladeshi enclaves inside India, and even a third-order enclave, a country inside a country inside a country. Imagine needing a visa to visit the field behind your house. People lived normal lives in the most complicated geography on Earth until both nations finally simplified the borders in 2015. But the stories, the culture, and the maps from that time still feel unbelievable. Every country has borders, but only a few have these hidden connections. Tiny pathways, blended communities, and patchwork histories that remind us the world is far more intertwined than it looks on a map.